A calm morning like this is perfect for caring gently because patience always keeps families happy.
I feel
This grass looks soft enough to sit and take our time without rushing.
I like places that feel quiet and gentle like this.
Sitting comfortably helps grooming feel calm and safe instead of stressful. I will stay still because I trust you.
I am happy today because everything feels fun and peaceful.
That happiness makes caring moments even better.
I brought this mirror so we can see how neat we look later.
That will help us check our work carefully.
Standing still helps me trim your fur evenly and safely.
I will not move because I want to help. Slow trimming keeps your fur light and comfortable during warm days.
I see how gentle hands make everything feel safe.
My fur looks like soft clouds falling down. Keeping it clean lets us reuse it later.
The fur feels funny and soft like tiny jumping clouds.
Touching materials helps us understand them better.
Brushing helps your coat stay shiny and healthy.
I like how it feels relaxing.
It feels like soft snow falling.
Playing together makes everything fun.
When we shape materials patiently, they become something useful.
I want to see what we make. Pressing gently helps the fur stay together without breaking.
Patience really matters here.
Natural colors from plants are gentle and safe.
The colors look strong and exciting.
It really looks like tiger colors now. Careful coloring make the result beautiful. Shaping slowly helps the hat become strong.
I like learning how things are made.
Careful sewing helps handmade things last longer.
I will hold the mirror steady.
Is that for me?
Yes, it is made just for you.
I cannot see, but I feel brave.
Let me adjust it properly.
Now it fits perfectly.
I feel like a real tiger.
Everyone deserves something made especially for them.
I am excited to wear mine.
It looks amazing. I cannot wait to try it.
We look brave together.
Standing together makes us strong.
Putting tools away keeps everything ready next time.
I like helping keep things neat. Walking home together after caring moments feels peaceful.
I enjoy quiet family time like this.
Coming home after a caring day helps our hearts slow down and feel safe. I like how home always feels warm and quiet.
Putting tools in their place keeps our home organized and peaceful.
I want to remember where everything belongs. Preparing a resting place helps our bodies relax after learning and playing.
I feel sleepy already.
Lying down together makes me feel calm and safe.
Rest helps you grow strong and happy.
Sleeping comfortably helps your body recover and dream.
I like when you tuck me in.
I will let you rest while I prepare for tomorrow.
Good rest makes tomorrow feel exciting.
A new day starts best with healthy food and good planning. I am ready to help.
Fresh vegetables give growing bodies important energy. This pumpkin looks delicious already.
Cleaning food first keeps everyone healthy. Good habits make good meals. Cutting evenly helps everything cook properly.
I will remember that.
Cooking slowly lets flavors mix perfectly.
It already smells sweet. Stirring evenly helps the porridge stay smooth and gentle for growing tummies. The smell makes me excited to help serve.
Just a little spice can make food special without being too strong. Balance is the secret of good cooking.
The flavor is warm and ready to share with everyone.
I am glad we took our time. Waiting makes me extra hungry. I can smell the pumpkin already, and eating well helps you grow strong and ready for adventures.
I helped make this.
It feels warm and makes my belly happy.
I want my bowl now.
This gives me energy right away.
Good food supports strong bodies.
Eating together makes meals feel comforting and safe.
I like when everyone is here.
Cleaning after eating keeps our kitchen happy.
Teamwork makes chores easier.
I like helping because it feels responsible.
Good habits last a lifetime.
Planning ahead helps us stay healthy every day. I want to learn more recipes.
Let us get ready for our next adventure together. I am excited to go out.
Every trip feels special when we go together. Staying close keeps everyone safe.
Staying alert on forest paths helps us notice changes before they become problems. I will watch carefully and stay near you.
The forest feels exciting, but also a little mysterious today.
That feeling means we should stay together.
Prepared supplies make unexpected situations easier to handle.
I can see far ahead from up here. I thought I saw something move over there.
It did not look like a normal animal. Hold close, everyone, because something feels unusual.
I am right here.
Hey, stop right now. That bag is important.
He is stealing it.
Come back. That is not yours.
Be careful and do not get lost.
He is fast, but we can still follow. Stay with me.
I will help protect everyone.
The thief ran toward the rocks. He went inside there.
That cave looks dangerous.
We need to think carefully before going in.
Rushing could make things worse.
I can call for help if needed.
That is a smart backup plan.
We must stay calm and move carefully because caves can hide many dangers.
I am scared, but I want to help.
I will go first to make sure the path is safe.
I will stay right behind you.
I am calling the forest police so help can come quickly.
Thank you for thinking ahead. It is dark, but I can still see the path.
Stay close so we do not get separated.
I see the bag, and we can end this peacefully.
Let us not scare him.
You do not need to steal if you need help.
We can talk calmly.
Thank you for giving it back.
Choosing the right thing matters. I am glad no one was hurt.
Calm choices solve the problem. Help arrived because we stayed calm.
Working together kept everyone safe. I am proud of everyone for being brave and kind. I learned that courage also means caring.
I feel tired, but happy after today.
Every adventure teaches us something important. Let us rest here and enjoy the calm after excitement.
I like quiet endings.
This place feels safe and peaceful.
Perfect for resting together.
Dry sticks help the fire burn steady.
Working together feels nice.
fire gives warmth when we respect it.
This feels comforting. Long ago, there was a legendary tiger cat who protected others with wisdom.
I want to be like that.
Cooking slowly over fire reminds us to be patient and careful.
The smell makes the night feel cozy.
The Tiger Cat story makes me feel brave inside.
Bravery also means protecting others.
The tiger cat was strong because he chose kindness instead of fear.
I want to remember that.
I feel sleepy after such a long day.
Rest is part of every journey. Moments like this help us feel grateful and safe.
I like peaceful nights.
Today felt big and exciting.
I am glad we are together.
Sleeping well helps us wake up strong tomorrow.
Good night, everyone.
A calm ending makes every adventure complete.
Tomorrow will be a new day.
I like how mornings feel after a good night.
Everything feels fresh again.
Thank you for sharing our day with us. We hope to see you again. Every day is better when shared. Goodbye for now.
Bye, okay. Be next time.
Bye. See you next time.
Goodbye.
Take care.
A new morning brings new energy when we rest well together.
I feel ready for another happy day.
Stretching helps my body feel strong again.
I like starting the day slowly.
Simple meals keep mornings easy and comfortable.
I like helping everyone start the day.
Waiting patiently shows respect for each other.
I can wait because good things come. Eating together makes mornings feel special.
Togetherness is the best routine.
Keeping our space clean helps us feel calm inside. I like when everything looks neat. The day feels full of possibilities.
I want to play and explore.
Every day can be an adventure when we stay kind. And when we stay prepared. I love our days together. So do I.
Thank you for spending time with us.
See you next adventure. Caring for little things every day helps them grow strong and healthy.
I want to learn how to take care of things too.
Running freely makes my body feel strong and happy.
Using energy well helps you sleep peacefully later.
Watching friends enjoy simple moments makes me feel calm.
Sharing peaceful time together matters. I like quiet times after busy adventures.
They help me remember what we learned. Fixing small problems early keeps our home safe. Working together makes tasks easier. Another day ends when we slow down and reflect.
Today felt full and happy.
Lantern light feels warm and comforting.
Light helps us feel safe at night.
I think my body is ready to rest again.
Listening to your body is important.
I like ending the day at home. Home keeps our hearts calm.
Good nights bring gentle dreams.
Tomorrow will be another good day. Keeping our home clean helps our minds feel calm after busy days. I like when everything feels peaceful.
Putting things away makes it easier to find them later.
Good habits grow stronger when practiced daily.
Closing curtains makes the night feel quiet and safe.
Little details help everyone rest better.
Drawing helps me remember today.
I like seeing your pictures. Warm drinks help our bodies relax before sleep. Relaxing together ends the day kindly.
My body feels tired now.
Mine too.
Sleeping on time helps tomorrow feel bright.
Rest is part of growing strong.
Thank you for today.
Sweet dreams.
The house feels quiet now. Quiet helps everyone rest. Good night, and see you soon. Good night.
Every morning feels fresh when we start it calmly and together.
I like mornings that feel slow and safe.
My body feels rested and ready to move again.
Good rest always brings good energy.
The day looks clear and peaceful from above.
That means it is a good day to stay positive. Walking together makes me feel confident.
I like when we stay close.
Checking our garden daily helps us notice small changes. Small details matter.
Another day together is something to be thankful for. I am happy to be here.
I feel ready for whatever comes next.
Facing days together makes everything easier.
Life feels good when we care for each other.
I want every day to feel like this. Thank you for being with us. See you again. See you again.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Take care. Doing simple chores together helps us care for our home every single day. I like helping because it makes me feel useful.
Carrying things carefully shows responsibility.
Responsibility grows stronger when practiced.
These plants look ready to harvest today.
Noticing the right moment matters. Plants feel alive and gentle.
Respecting nature teaches patience.
Using what we grow ourselves feels rewarding. It makes meals special.
Working together makes chores easier.
And more fun. Cleaning food carefully keeps everyone healthy.
Good preparation matters.
Helping in small ways still counts.
I feel proud helping.
Watching carefully helps me learn. Learning starts with observing. Simple days build strong bonds. That is what truly matters.
As the day slows down, it is good to remember everything we shared together.
Today felt full and gentle.
Finishing tasks calmly helps the evening feel relaxed.
I like when everything is ready for tomorrow. Evenings remind us to slow our hearts and breathe.
I feel calm watching the sky change.
Being together makes everything feel right.
That is the most important lesson. It is time to rest after a good day. I am ready to sleep.
Today was fun and safe.
Sweet dreams, my little ones.
The house feels peaceful now.
Peace makes sleep easy.
Thank you for spending this day with us.
Good night.
Bye.
See you next time.